You have a tactic here to help us generate more motivated seller leads by sliding into the DM. And I want you to walk me through the strategy here, because I think a lot of people on social media, Chris, that if they spend half the time they do, stop lurking and actually start just sending people messages, the output and the performance of their marketing campaigns would go up, tenfold. So just talk me through this idea of using sort of that open-ended question to get people to, react to you and obviously try to basically start a conversation with them.
Yeah, it's fairly straightforward. Like, the people that are going to be motivated to work with you are definitely going to be a lot of times the people that already worked with you, or the people that already know you, or the people that already trust you. So what the 3 strategy does is it gets you 2 to 3 appointments every day. I mean, most of the people listening, they don't even have 2 or 3 appointments a week, Jimmy. So let's be real. 2 to 3 appointments a day. And all you do, it's very simple. You're going to wake up every morning and you're going to log on to Facebook Messenger. Okay. And you're going to look on that little bracket on the side, Jimmy, that shows who's online.
Yeah.
And the only rule is that they have to be your friend and it has to have a green dot. That way, they're online right now. And you're going to send them a very simple message. You're going to say, hey, I'm working on a big project at work. Would you mind if I pick your brain later today? That's it. You're going to basically tell them that you're working on a project at work and you'd love to pick their brain a little bit later today because you really value their opinion. And because you know these people and because you're chatting it on Facebook, like typically, Jimmy, I can't even send the 3rd one before the first 2 people say, sure. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now, you guys, your work is that you sell homes. So the thing you talk to about them could be, I'm talking to as many of my friends as I can that I think are super smart. And I'm doing a survey about if people are selling their home this year or not. Like, is there any chance you're selling your home this year? And if not, why not? And then all of a sudden you just write an article about 17 people that are selling their home this year and 4 that aren't, and why. You know what I'm saying? So it's a way to create a conversation on the phone with your past clients in Sphere about real estate and doing it every morning. And I think the technique I use, Jimmy, let me do some math really quick, okay? So there's 52 weeks in a year, right? But we're going to say there's 5 days in a work week, right? So Jimmy, there's 260 business days a year. Let me take out a few. Let me take out like 30 days for vacations and for holidays. So I'm at 230 business days, minus vacations, minus holidays. And I'm suggesting people do 3 of these each Monday through Friday, times 3. That is 690 messages a year by sending 3 a day. And what I'm calculating, Jimmy, is that you're going to be able to get about a 0.67 response rate, meaning 2 out of every 3 people, because it's your Sphere and your friends, they're going to want to talk.
Yeah.
So now all of a sudden, with one simple thing you can do each morning, Jimmy, that is 462 conversations about real estate per year.